One of the features built into the iPhone Mail app is the ability to send an email and hide your email address. Now, in typical life, I don't have a reason to do that. And in business, I don't have a reason to do that. However, you may have a reason that you want to hide your email address when you send an email message. Now, I'm going to show you how to do that, and I'm going to show you what happens when you do that, because the end result is not necessarily what you would expect, but your email address is in fact hidden. Let's show you how to do this. So let's go back into Apple Mail, and you can see I have at the bottom, I have 5 email accounts on my Apple Mail. I have TLB Business, BCI GWS Gmail, I have Teddy in Gmail, I have iCloud, and I have Yahoo. Now, just a point of interest, Teddy in Gmail is teddyburris@gmail.com, and that is in fact the email account that is connected to my iCloud account, which is important because when you hide your email address, it's going to create a random iCloud email address to send that message. Now, let's go. I'm going to go to BCI GWS, and I'm going to send an email to TLB Business. So I'm going to go to BCI GWS. Let's go to the inbox. I can get to it up here as well. And I'm going to send a new message. Now, mind you, I'm going to send it to tlburris@teddyburris.com. Now, here's where you hide your email address. And note the signature at the bottom. Watch what happens. I'm going to click on BCI GWS. I got to click on it again. And I'm going to create a random address that forwards to your inbox. So we created an email address, gimbal-snowman7x@icloud.com. Now, mind you, I started at BCI GWS, and I'm sending to tlburris@burrisconsulting.com. I'm going to do a subject test, and let me just be clear about that. I'm sending this to tlburris. I'm going to just do shortcut at burrisconsulting.com. This is my short code. And I'm sending from bcigws@gmail.com. Just so I'm clear, you probably, by the way, this is to, and that's from, by the way, you probably wouldn't put your email address in the email that you're sending where you're hiding your email address. But I'm doing that for the sake of this test. So I'm sending it to tlburris@burrisconsulting.com from BCI GWS, but I'm hiding it behind this iCloud. I'm going to hit send. And away it goes. Now, assumably, I should get that email message in tlburris@burrisconsulting.com, which is the same as teddyburris.com. Let's go take a look. Let's go here. And let's wait a few minutes, because with that connection to iCloud.com and then over to tlburris@burrisconsulting.com, it takes a little bit longer. I'm going to be patient. It took some time, but it showed up. What I expected to happen happened. I sent an email message from bcigws@gmail to tlburris@burrisconsulting.com or teddyburris.com, and it showed up. And look, and it showed up. It has, mind you, you only see those email addresses because I put them in there to track what I'm doing. You wouldn't normally do that, but you can see that this email message came from gimbal-snowman7x@icloud.com. Now, that's hiding. Now, here's the part that's even a little bit more bizarre that kind of aggravates me. If, in this case, tlburris@burrisconsulting.com replies back, let's see what happens. Reply. And got you, got it, dude. And I'm going to put the time right here. It is 2:03. 2:03 p.m. And I'm going to hit send. Now this is where it really appears to go wacky. And that is this. I expect that email to go back to BCI@GWS. Right here. It's where I expect it to go back to. I'm going to refresh. I'm going to wait for a moment. I'll let you know what I get. But the message does not go back to BCI@GWS@gmail, where I sent it and where the receiver replied back, thinking it was going to go back to that, but that's not what happened. What happened is it went back to teddyburris@gmail.com. And the reason I believe that it went back there is because teddyburris@gmail.com is the email address for the iCloud account. So, totally collapsing the statement, you can send an email message from your iPhone and hide your email address. But no, if they reply to it, it's going to go to the email address that's associated with your iCloud account. Hey, I'm Teddy. I'm all about Google Workspace and Gmail and iPhones, and I hope that this is useful for you.